have written some terms for angles. First number, some special angles, complementary angle, supplementary angle. All these angles are needed in different application. So it is very important to understand the question. क्वेश्चन को समझने के लिए एक्सरसाइज में जितने भी तुम्हारे क्वेश्चन दिए गए हैं उनको समझने के लिए इन सभी टर्म के कॉन्सेप्ट को क्लियर समझना बहुत जरूरी है। इसीलिए मैंने वन बाय वन अकॉर्डिंग टू योर बुक आई वुड लाइक टू एक्सप्लेन देयर ऑल टर्म्स। फर्स्ट इज सम स्पेशल एंगल्स। जनरली स्टूडेंट कंफ्यूज्ड व्हाट इज जीरो एंगल, व्हाट इज कंप्लीट एंगल एंड सप्लीमेंट्री complementary angles. First is generally angles means the two lines have a common point. Then this inclination, this one is angle. And suppose there are two rays. One is fixed and rotation of other is coincide from the initial rotation of this ray coincide from the initial position. Then this angle is called zero angle. That means it is rotate like this and coincide to each other. Then it is zero angle. Second number is complete angle. If the rotation of second angle, if the rotation of second ray, rotation means generally the second ray, one ray is fixed and second ray rotate in anti-clock direction. It is rotate like this. And if this rotation is moving like this and coming to this point, that means one complete rotation. This time this angle is called, starting from the initial point and coming to the end point, and both complete one rotation, it is called complete angle. Is called complete angle. It means 360 degree. Is a complete angle. It is 360 degree. Understood? Hope you understand what is difference between 0 degree and complete angle. After the rotation, one complete is called 360 degree, and if the initial point and the rotated ray both coincide to each other, that time it is 0 degree angle. Is a 0 degree angle. Now second thing is complementary angle. Is a complementary angle. If the sum of two angle, suppose it is two angles, this angle is 1 and this angle is 2 and it is 90 degree. Total angle is 90 degree. Then angle 1 plus angle 2, if 90 degree, then it is called complementary angle. That means sum of two angle at a same point, sum of two angle, if 90 degree, then it is called complementary angle. And first angle is called complement of second and second is called complement of first. That means angle 1 is complement of angle 2 and angle 2 is complement of angle 1. In this way, complementary angle is clear. Sum of any two angle at the same point is 90 degree, then it is a complementary angle. In the same way, supplementary angle. Suppose A is point and one angle is there. This angle is 1 and this one is 2. If sum of two angle is 180 degree, sum of two angle is 180 degree, then it is called supplementary angle. If sum of two angle is 180 degree, then it is a supplementary angle. Just like example, angle 100 plus angle 80 degree is equal 180 degree. 100 plus 80 is 180 degree. This angle is complement of this one, and 80 degree is complement of 100 degree. We can say like this also, 100 is a complement of 80 degree and 80 degree is complement of 100 degree. In this way, supplementary angle and supplement angle, I explain complementary angle, complement, and supplementary angle, supplement angle, all are clear. Next, adjacent angle. Adjacent angle next is adjacent angle. Adjacent angle has one common arm. For any two angle has one common arm, A, B, C, D. For this two angle has a common arm, BD is common for both angle. For both angle it is a common arm. Then and other two arms are opposite to each other. Other two arms for any two angle, one arm is common, one arm is common, and other arms are opposite to each other. It's not coincide from each other. It's not in one side. It should be opposite to each other. Then it is called adjacent. Then it is called adjacent angles. Just like angle 1 and 2. Angle 1 and 2, it is adjacent angles, because angle 1 and angle 2 both have one common arm DB and other arms DC and DA are opposite to each other. Then it is adjacent angles. Next, linear pair. Linear pair is also like adjacent angle, and adjacent angles, if their sum is 180 degree, is called linear pair. That means in linear pair also one arm is common, one arm is common. AD is common in both angles and both sides are opposite to each other. But for linear pair is one condition, sum of both angle 1 plus angle 2 should be 180 degree. Adjacent angles in which sum of both angles are 180 degree, then it is it is a linear pair. Then next, your vertical opposite angle. If two lines intersect to each other, then the opposite angles are called vertically opposite. These two are always equal. They are called vertically opposite angle 1 and 2. Angle 1 always equal to angle 2. These are vertically opposite angle. In the same way, these two also, 3 and 4. Angle 3 is equal angle 4. In this way, there are two pairs of vertically opposite angle. First 1 and 2, and second 2 and 4. If two lines are intersect to each other, then opposite angles are always equal. In the same way, these two. These are called vertically opposite angle. Next, transversal. Transversal, what is transversal line? If in any plane they are given two or more than two lines, and a line if intersect two or more than two lines are called transversal. This line is transversal. If AB, a line intersects two or more than two lines, not necessary that 2 or 3, 4, more than two lines intersect at a distinct point. Is not at same point. intersect to all lines at distinct points, then it is called transversal line. Is called transversal line. Next, interior angles. Interior angles. Suppose a transversal line intersect at A, B, C, D, E, F. Suppose EF line intersect two lines AB and CD. Then there how many angles? How many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means 4 and 4, 8 angles are there. Then your topic is interior angles. Interior angles means inside the angle 1, 4, 7, 6. These are interior angles. That means inside the both line 1, 4, 7, 6. Angle 1, angle 4, angle 6 and angle 7. These are interior angles. These are called interior angles. Next, exterior angles. Exterior angles, it means outside of the line. That means exterior angle is 2, 3, 5, 8. Angle 2, angle 3, angle 5 and angle 8. It is interior angle and this one is exterior angle. These all are interior angle and 2, 3, 5, 8 are exterior angle. That means out of this line is exterior and inside the line both given lines are interior angle. Here another topic is co-interior angle. Interior angle, exterior angles, co-interior angle. Co-interior angle is co-interior angles means same side of the transversal line are co-interior angles. Same side of the transversal line. It means angle 1 and angle 6 are co-interior angle. Co-interior angle. Angle 1 and 6 are co-interior. In the same way, angle 4 and angle 7 are co-interior angle. These are co-interior angles. These are co-interior angles. That means 1 and 6 in same side of the transversal line. Inside angle and same side of the transversal. That means inside the lines and of the same side of this transversal line 1 and 6. 1 and 6 is co-interior angle and 4 and 7 are also co-interior angle. Another term is exterior allied angle. Exterior allied angle. Another term is exterior allied. That means same side of transversal line and outside the given line. That means 2 and 5. Angle 2 and angle 5 are exterior allied angle. Exterior allied angle. 2 and 5 are exterior allied angle. In the same way, angle 3 and angle 8 are exterior allied angle. Understood all? The same side of the transversal line but outside 2 and 5 are exterior allied and 3 and 8 are exterior allied. In this way, 2 pair they are exterior allied and 2 pair interior both. And another thing, alternate angles. Alternate angles. Alternate angle, if a transversal line intersect a given line A, B, C, D, and this one is transversal M, N. Then alternate angle means this. There are also 4 angle, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the same way this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now alternate interior angle. Angle 1 and angle 7. Angle 1 and 7 are alternate interior. These two angle, alternate interior. This same side was interior allied angle, and alternate 1, 7. These are alternate angle. In the same way 2 and 8. Angle 2 and angle 8. It is alternate angle. Alternate interior angle. It is alternate interior angle 1 and angle 7 are alternate interior angle. Angle 2 and 8 are alternate interior angle. Understood? Next, alternate exterior angle. Then angle 4 and angle 6. Angle 4 and angle 6. 4 and 6 and 3 and 5. Angle 3 and angle 5 are alternate exterior angle. These are alternate exterior angle. In this way, exterior angle and interior angle. There are two types of angle in alternate angles: alternate interior angle and alternate exterior angle. When a transversal line intersect two lines, then this inside the angle alternate angle 2 and 8, 1 and 7 are alternate interior angles, and 4 and 6, 3 and 5 are alternate exterior angles. Understood? Is clear? Next, corresponding angle. Two lines are parallel. If lines are parallel for alternate angles, if two lines are parallel, previous I explained you, if any two lines are given and a transversal line, but two lines are parallel, that time alternate interior angles are equal to each other. These two are equal and these two are equal. Angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then if both lines are parallel, then angle 1 will be equal to angle 7. Alternate interior angles are equal to each other. Angle 2 is equal to angle 8. Alternate interior angles are equal. That's why angle 4 for exterior, alternate exterior, 4 is equal to angle 6. And angle 3 is equal to angle 5. But there should be condition that two lines are parallel to each other. Then alternate interior angles are equal, alternate exterior angles are equal. Now, corresponding angle. Now I am explaining corresponding angles. If a transversal line intersect to any two line, this time don't suppose parallel, for any two line, A transversal line intersect any two line, and like this again 8 angles we can get. Then corresponding angles. First understand what is corresponding. Corresponding means 4 angle 4 and angle 8. 4 and 8 are corresponding angles. In the same way 1 and 5. Angle 1 and angle 5. These two. 1 and 5. 4 and 8. 3 and 7. Angle 3 and angle 7. And 2 and 6. These are corresponding angles. These are called corresponding . These are called corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. 1 and 5 corresponding angle, 4 and 8 corresponding, 2 and 6, 3 and 7 are corresponding angles. Next, suppose the two lines are parallel. Suppose these two lines are parallel. These are parallel to each other. And if a transversal line intersect to both parallel lines, that time corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. If both are parallel to each other, angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Angle 3 is equal to angle 7. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6. These all corresponding angles are equal to each other. It is this much your topics are given in your syllabus. I explained everything. Now I hope you understood well. And if parallel condition given, okay.